Hey guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Node.js in our Windows system without using any downloaded setup of Node.js. So we are going to just make use of command prompt or PowerShell to install Node.js in our Windows operating system. So let's get started. So as you can see, Node is not installed in my system. So let's install it. So for installing any package, we must make use of package manager. So Chocolatey is a package manager that we are going to make use of in this video tutorial. So first of all, we must check if Chocolatey is available in our system or no. If it is not available, then you need to install the Chocolatey package. So for that, just open PowerShell and run it as admin, okay, and enter this command. Okay, so this is the command by which you can install Chocolatey in your system. So let it get installed. So Chocolatey was installed, so you can just run choco version, enter. So it will give you the version. So let me check now here. Okay, so it is not found because I need to restart my terminal. Okay, so just open command prompt. Okay, so better run is an admin. So now run choco version. So now next step is to use this Chocolatey to install our Node.js in our system. Choco install nodejs-lts. Okay, so LTS is basically the latest version or a stable version. So just enter this command, okay, and it will just download the latest version whatever is available and whichever it is stable. Okay, so now currently it is downloaded 20.15.0 for me. So let's wait until it get downloaded and it get installed. Okay, so it is just prompting me to enter some yes or no if you want to run the script. Yes, so it is installing Node.js for 64-bit version of my Windows. So you can see Node.js was successfully installed. Okay, so now I can just enter node. You can see I can get the version. Okay, here 2 plus 2, so basically JavaScript operations. Okay, so we'll just exit from here. Okay, and let me check the version that got installed. So it is 22.15.0 and npm package also will check, it's 10.2.3. okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto Coders Point. Thank you.